sorry, discussing chapter 7. Living and non-living. We discussed about few characteristics of living and non-living that day. What are the differences between living and non-living? And in that, I explained you that living things are made up of cells as the bricks are the basic functional unit for the building. Similarly, if I talk about body, your cells are the basic fundamental unit of your life. Okay. Second, today we are going to discuss about structural organization, which is found in the living organism. So, how the structure of living organisms are made up of? They are made up of cells, as I have already told you, right? So, if it is made up of cells, then what these cells will do? You are a multicellular organism. Then your body is made up of so many cells. Now, what these cells will do? These cells will segregate them in small groups, right? These are the cells. These cells have made one group. These cells have made another group. These cells have made one more group, right? So, what this group of cell is being known as? It is known as tissue. Right? What is tissue? Group of cells. I will write it over here. Okay. So what the cells will do? Cells से क्या बनेगा? Tissue. What is tissue? Group of cells doing similar function. Okay. Group of cell doing similar function is known as tissue now. ये जो छोटे-छोटे groups बन गए सेल के, अब हर एक group का अपना काम है. Each and every group is having different function that they have to do, right? If in your body there are so many tissues. When you will grow up, now you will come in 9th standard. You will read a whole chapter of tissues in which you will read about epithelial tissue, cardiac tissue, nervous tissue, muscular tissue. So many types of tissues are there. Okay. So each and every tissue is having their own function. If I talk about cardiac tissue का काम होता है heart की pumping में help करना, continuous rhythmic contraction and relaxation में help करना. Okay. So what it will do? It will help in that. Okay. Nervous tissue is having the function to give you the sensitivity, right? It is connected to your brain. The ends of the nervous neurons are connected to your brain. See, when you touch any hot pan, what happens instantly? You just remove your hand. अगर आप किसी गर्म बर्तन को टच करते हो, गर्म पैन को टच करते हो, जैसे ही टच किया, you instantly remove your hand. It happens, right? But इस बीच में आपके टच करने और हटाने के बीच में एक बहुत लंबी प्रोसेस होती है. जैसे ही आपने टच किया, आपकी नर्वस टिश्यूज, राइट? See, nerve cells जो होती है, these are the longest cells of human body, around 1 meter long. And इनके जो ends होते हैं nerve cells के, they are the connected to one another, right? अभी जो neurons है, ये क्या करेंगे? They will send message to your brain, and your brain will order your hand to be removed, and your hand will be removed instantly. And it happens too quickly. You cannot even imagine. टच किया और आप हटाते हो ना, लेकिन इस बीच में ये सारे मैसेज ब्रेन को पहुंचते हैं. ब्रेन ऑर्डर्स योर हैंड टू गेट अवे, स्टे अवे फ्रॉम दैट. ओके, सो सेल्स क्या बनाएंगे? टिश्यू. वो टिश्यू क्या करेंगे? ईच एंड एवरी टिश्यू इज हैविंग देयर ओन फंक्शन. सबका अपना अपना काम होगा. जैसे मैंने क्लास में ग्रुप्स डिवाइड किए थे, right? 5 के group में I have given you the example that in class if I have made 5 groups of 5 students or 6 students, each and every group is responsible for a different function. Okay, someone is responsible to collect copies, someone is responsible to make the class quiet, another group is responsible for the cleaning of the class. Similarly, tissues are having their own functions. Cells से क्या बना? tissues का जो group है उनका अपना फंक्शन होगा. किसी को कोई ऑर्गन बनाना होगा, किसी को कोई ऑर्गन बनाना होगा. तो ये टिश्यूज मिलकर के क्या बनाएंगे? ऑर्गन्स. ऑर्गन्स क्या होते हैं? You are having different organs in your body. You are having lungs, you are having liver, you are having kidney, you are having stomach, right? You are having different, right? So tissue से क्या बनेगा? ऑर्गन. ठीक है. Different organs we are having. If I talk about your digestive tract, then mouth, then esophagus. Okay, esophagus के बाद then pharynx, then stomach, then small intestine, then large intestine, right? Then NS part. So it's a big digestive tract. आपका digestive system बहुत बड़ा है. ये बहुत सारे organ से मिलकर बना है. तो अब जब ये बहुत सारे organ बन जाएंगे तो क्या होगा? पूरा एक organ system बनेगा. Organ system means, can anyone give me example for organ system? We are having the organ systems like respiratory system. I have given you example for digestive system. Okay, another is respiratory system, another is reproductive system, right? बहुत सारे organ systems होते हैं. So cell से बनता है tissue, tissue से बनता है organ से organ system बनेगा, right? अब जब बहुत सारे organ systems बन गए, respiratory system बन गया, digestive system बन गया, excretory system बन गया, reproductive system बन गया, then बहुत सारे systems मिलके now they will make the whole organism, right? One organism is made up of so many organ systems. All right. So now these organ systems will make. Sorry, I'm not having enough space to write. आपको सीधे ही लिखना है. Okay. आप straight arrows बनाइए. As I have made over here, I'm not having space, so I'm making this arrow over here. An organ system will make the whole organism. Is it possible if we are not having any organ system with us? Is it possible for the organism to survive? Can you survive without digestive system? No. Can you survive without respiratory system? No. Can you survive without excretory system? No. So each and every system is important. They are having their own function. Excretory system का काम क्या है? To get rid of the undigested food. What is the function of digested food? Digestive system. To digest the food which we are eating and give us the energy. Okay. So each and every system is having their own function and they are important for our body. All right. For the organism. Is it clear? What are cells? What is tissue? What is organ? What is organ system? Okay. Clear? Any doubt? Okay, Karnik Sanghi is raising up his hand. Let me check what doubt Karnik is having. Yes, Karnik. And Saurabh, both are raising their hands. Yes, Karnik.
मैम जो लास्ट मैम आपने जो लिखा है मैम ग्रुप ऑफ सेल डूइंग मैम ये वाला समझ में नहीं आया थोड़ा सा.
Okay. I will explain it again. See.
Okay, मैम.
आप क्लास में 30 स्टूडेंट्स हो, ठीक है, और मैंने 5 के 6 ग्रुप्स बना लिए हैं, है ना. अब हर एक ग्रुप को मैंने कार्निक आई हैव प्रोवाइडेड अ स्पेसिफिक टास्क टू दैट ग्रुप. अगर आपका ग्रुप 5 स्टूडेंट्स का है and your group is A, second one is B, third is C, okay, and each group is having 5 students. So first group is responsible for the cleaning of the class. They have to maintain the cleaning. Second group is responsible to collect the science copies, okay. Third one is responsible to make the class quiet. All right. So
Yes,
हर
ma'am.
एक ग्रुप को मैंने अपना अपना उनको बांट दिया. मैंने वो सब एक जैसे थे मेरे लिए, सारे स्टूडेंट्स थे, मैंने उनको ग्रुप्स में बांट दिया. देखो जब काम बांट के होता है ना तो ज्यादा अच्छे से होता है. एम आई करेक्ट कार्निक?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. अगर मैं पूरी क्लास को बोल देती yes all of you have to maintain silence in the class and all of you have to check there will be no garbage in the class, क्या आपको लगता है कोई ध्यान रखता?
No,
नहीं.
ma'am.
बट मैंने जब स्पेसिफिक 5 स्टूडेंट्स को बोल दिया कि नो रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द क्लीनिंग ऑफ द क्लास, अगर कोई भी गंदगी हुई देन आई एम गोइंग टू स्कोल्ड यू, तो वो किसी को भी दे विल नॉट अलाउ एनीवन टू मेक द क्लास डर्टी. एम आई राइट? किसी को क्लास
Yes,
को
ma'am.
गंदा नहीं करने देंगे. अगर मैंने सबको बोल दिया अरे अपनी प्लीज कीप योर कॉपीज हियर, सब अपनी अपनी कॉपीज कलेक्ट कर लेना है, मेरी टेबल पे पहुंच जानी चाहिए, विल एनीवन डू दैट? नो.
No, ma'am.
किसी को स्पेसिफिक को तो दिया नहीं. अब अगर मैंने एक ग्रुप बना दिया 5 स्टूडेंट्स का विच आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू कलेक्ट द कॉपीज ऑफ ऑल द 6 सब्जेक्ट्स, दे विल डू दैट. यस, दे
Yes,
विल
ma'am.
मेक द लिस्ट एंड दे विल परफॉर्म देयर ड्यूटी. तो इसी तरह से हमारी बॉडी भी यही करती है, सेल्स को बांट देती है, सेग्रीगेट कर देती है और उनको अपना अपना काम दे देती है. ओके. तो जो ग्रुप सेल का जो ग्रुप होता है, एक ग्रुप जो कि सेम फंक्शन करेगा, राइट. एक ग्रुप के जितने भी सेल्स होंगे उनके पास सेम फंक्शन होगा, एक ही काम होगा उनका, एंड दे आर बीइंग नोन एज टिश्यू.
Okay,
क्लियर?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Cell doing similar function known as
Okay.
tissue. Now these tissues, what these tissues will make, अलग अलग tissues है, they will make different different organs. अब बहुत सारे जब organs बन जाएंगे तो उससे organ system बनेगा, right? As I have given you example for the digestive system. If I
Yes.
talk about the digestive tract, then सबसे पहले you start taking food from your mouth. Okay, then it goes into your esophagus, then stomach, liver, small intestine, large intestine, anus. तो ये पूरा digestive tract है, आपका पूरा digestive system है. Okay, clear?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, you're welcome. Karnik, you may lower down your hand, Karnik. Yes, Saurabh Chitwani and Vidushi Khandelwal are raising their hand. Okay, yes, Vidushi.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, जो आपने अभी करवाया मैम वो मेरे समझ में तो आ गया मैम, लेकिन इन्हें कॉपी में भी नोट करना है क्या?
Yes, dear, you have to. Okay.
ओके मैम.
क्लास
मैम
वर्क कॉपी में नोट डाउन कीजिए. Whatever we do in class, you will do in the classwork copy and make one homework copy जिसमें आप पूरे क्वेश्चन आंसर कीजिए. Okay?
मैम जिस कॉपी में हम क्वेश्चन आंसर करते हैं उसी कॉपी में नोट डाउन करना है ना?
फिर मुझे उसमें भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. If your work is complete, you can continue in that. Okay?
ओके मैम.
I'm not having any problem. Okay, Vidushi, you may mute yourself now and lower down your hand, Vidushi. Yes, Saurabh.
मैम आप लास्ट में जब 10 मिनट्स बचेंगे तब आप है ना चैप्टर 6 के मेरे को पीडीएफ शो करा दो के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के.
Okay, I will.
थैंक यू मैम.
All right. Clear to everyone? Can I wrap this? If anybody has not written, please take this screenshot. If any one of you has not written, please take the screenshot quickly so that you can note it down later on. The third common characteristics of living organism is that they move. Why they need to move? To get food and shelter. Okay. You guys will say that now you are correct. The cat moves, the dog moves, all the animals can move, human beings can move, ants can move, all the insects can move, honeybees can move, bees can move, right? Ant can move, spider can move. Okay. But what about trees? Trees are also living things, then they cannot move. Yes, they also show the movement. How they show the movement? Can anyone tell? How plants show their movement? क्या वो भी चलते हैं? Do they show the movement? Okay, to get food, to get shelter, and to escape from their enemies also. All right. Yes, everything you have to write. Yashika saying whatever I am explaining. Okay. All right. To get food, shelter, and make them safe. You can write to be safe. From enemies they have to run. दुश्मनों से अपने बचने के लिए शिकार न बना दे कोई उन्हें, so they have to run. Okay. Plants also show the movement. I got the response from someone. Let me check the response once. Okay, I got the response in the chat box. Yes, Yashika, we have to write. Okay, Rhythm is saying they move their leaves. Correct? Do you guys think she's correct? They move with the help of their leaves. Is it okay? No. See, if you will keep any pot on a window, right? And विंडो में से सिर्फ एक छोटा सा पार्ट है जहां से सनलाइट आ रहा है. Okay, from one direction only it is getting the sunlight. So very soon what you will observe that plant will bend towards that sunlight. सीधा खड़ा है plant, ठीक है. धीरे धीरे क्या होगा? What happened? Who is this? What happened? It will start bending towards the sunlight. Okay, it will start growing and bending towards the sunlight. So what does it mean? That plants also show the movement towards light. Okay. Another, you must have heard about touch me not plant. Have you heard touch me not? छुई का पौधा है ना? वो क्या करता है? जैसे ही आप उसको टच करते हो वो shrink हो जाता है. Right? It happens. So these are the movements of still the students are coming. Deepika Agarwal. Right? So everything moves to get example. Movement of plant towards sunlight. I hope I can grab this. Movement of plants towards sunlight and touch me not plant. Okay, these are the examples of that plants also move. Other than this, you can give any example of cat, dog, human beings. Okay, और भी example लिख लो. Next characteristics of living organisms are that they need food, right? Living organisms need food. Why we need food? Give me answer in the chat box quickly. Why we need food? To live. Cherry is saying to live. Anyone else quickly? Give me the response. I'm not having one student. I'm having 39 students in my class. Quickly respond. I want. Okay, to energy. Yashika is saying for energy. Rhythm is saying for everything. For what? Everything. Okay, Saurabh is saying to live. All right. Okay, for energy. Right, all of you are correct. We need food to get the energy. Okay, now tell me one thing. When you eat food, do you instantly get the energy? I have explained this concept to you earlier in the first chapter. Okay, Kritika is saying to survive, we need the food. Why? Why do you think to survive, we need the food? What the food will do? It will give you energy. How it will give you energy? Carbohydrates के form में देती है, Rhythm is saying. Okay, so when you eat food, my question is, when you eat food, will you instantly get the energy? Okay, instant energy we will get. No, Triksha is not, Mansi is saying no, Triksha is saying no, Pratika is saying no. Okay, then can anyone tell when we will get the energy after having food? I have eaten food, will I get the energy now? Okay, Cherry is raising her hand. Anyone else want to tell? Okay, I agree with you that when we eat food, we don't get instant energy. Then when we get energy, my question is, when we get energy? All right, let me check. Kritika Motwani is raising her hand. Kritika, will you be able to give me answer?
Ma'am,
Yes.
when we digested our food, then we get energy.
Okay, you are saying when the food will be digested, then we will get the energy. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
But I'm saying no. Your food is digested in small intestine. Okay, it even doesn't reach up to large intestine. Large intestine में तो सिर्फ extra water absorb होता है, जो आपके undigested food में होता है. Small intestine तक आते आते आपका पूरा food जो होता है वो digest हो जाता है. Then too you are not getting the energy. Now you know what will happen with this digested food. Pratika, this digested food will go into your cells. Your body is made up of cells. Now this digested food with the help of blood में घुलेगा ये digested food और ये digested food अब आपकी cells में जाएगा. Okay? And what happens in the cell? Respiration of food. I'm writing over here. Time. के अंदर क्या है हमारे पास? Digested food. Okay. Now this digested food will go into blood capillaries. It goes into blood capillaries. Okay. Now, when it has reached up to blood capillaries, अब blood capillaries क्या करेगी? They will give this food to cell. So many cells are there in your body, they will give it to cells. Okay. Now the other part, after this I'm writing on the upper side. You may continue over there as I'm not having space at the bottom. So I'm writing it over here after cells. Okay. Now your food is there in the cells. Cells के अंदर क्या होगा food का? अब cells के अंदर food का क्या होगा? Respiration. Okay. क्या होगा? सेल्स के अंदर रेस्पिरेशन. ओके, कहां पर होगा? साइटोप्लाज्म में भी होगा और माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में भी. आपकी अब एक सिंगल सेल भी बहुत सारे ऑर्गेनेलीज की बनी होती है. इट इज आल्सो हैविंग मेनी सेल ऑर्गेनेलीज. ओके, ऑलराइट. सो व्हाट इज रेस्पिरेशन? Release of energy from food. It releases in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Okay. Cells में respiration होगा. What is the site of respiration? Cell के अंदर respiration कहाँ होगा? Cell के अंदर एक mitochondria होता है. ठीक है, उसके अंदर होगा. And what will happen then? Release of energy from food. Now your each and every cell will get the energy and they will do their function. अब हर एक सेल को एनर्जी अपने आप मिलेगी क्योंकि उनके पास एक्चुअली में एनर्जी रिलीज हो गई जब उनके पास डाइजेस्टेड फूड पहुंचा, रेस्पिरेशन हुआ. ओके, एंड एनर्जी रिलीज हुई. ठीक है, क्लियर विद एवरीवन? ओके, व्हाट इज द सी इफ दिस इज द ग्लूकोज, that is the food digested. It will react with oxygen and it will give CO2, carbon dioxide, plus H2O, that is water plus energy. अभी जो वाटर है जब आप ब्रीथ आउट करते हो तो आप वाटर वेपर के फॉर्म में रिलीज करते हो, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड भी आप रिलीज करते हो, एंड एनर्जी योर सेल विल यूज. ओके, क्लियर? नाउ द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक we will discuss living thing with fire. We will discuss in our next class. Okay, right now I'm having another class, so Akshi ma'am is here with me, so I think I should leave now. Okay, thank you so much for today's class. Yes, Partvi, what happened? You are raising up your hand. Yes, Partvi.
Ma'am, board is not visible.
Board
Ma'am,
is
नीचे
not.
का part.
Is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Keep on doing your work, or you can take a screenshot quickly. Take a screenshot quickly, Partvi. The two others are also raising their hands. What's their doubt? Yes, Saurabh?
मैम आपने बोला था ना चैप्टर 6 का पीडीएफ शो कर दूंगी.
Okay, chapter 6 you want me to share again? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope all of you must have written this. If not, please take a screenshot quickly. Please take a screenshot if you have not written. Quickly take a screenshot, everyone.
Ma'am,
Okay.
please show.
Wait, beta. Let me stop sharing this. Chapter 6 you want me to share, okay? All right, I'm going to share it. Yes, here it is. You may take a click.
Yes, ma'am.
Those who have taken click of chapter 6, they may. Okay? Be quick, I'm having another class. Keep yourself muted until and unless it's not compulsory for you guys to speak up.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Akshi ma'am.
Morning, Muskan ma'am.
Yeah, they just want me to share this PDF again. So give me 1 minute. I'm also having class. Yeah, I'm turning the page now. I hope you must have taken the click of this page. This is the next one. Take a click quickly.
Ma'am, there is no screen was coming.
No screen is coming.
Beta, it is visible to everyone. Don't worry. I'm able to see that.
मैम एकदम
And it is visible as Akshi ma'am is saying. This is the second one. I'm turning the page now. Third one. Last for hertz. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
थैंक यू मैम